Hello, my name is Chef Fran, and today we're making lasagna soup. To make our lasagna soup, we have our broth, we have our fresh mozzarella balls, we have our ground beef, we have our turkey sausage, we have our crushed tomatoes, our diced tomatoes, our lasagna noodles, and ricotta cheese, some Himalayan salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, onions and garlic, tomato paste, and that's it. Add that many ingredients. Take a look. This is all to make our good lasagna soup. So, let's get to cooking. Now that my beef and my turkey sausage is cooked, I'm adding some tomato paste. Add our tomato paste. Mix that. Mix that all the way around. And our lasagna noodles, I just cut into 3 pieces. Take a piece. I just broke it. 1 piece. 1 piece makes 3 pieces. I'm gonna put my diced tomatoes in. So this is my sausage, my ground beef, my green and red bell peppers, my garlic, my onion, and my diced tomatoes. And I'm gonna pour my crushed tomatoes in here. Okay. And then our broth and my noodles. And about the last 5 minutes or so, I'll put in my mozzarella balls. I don't want it to go in too much before, so the balls can be still somewhat whole and not melted if I put it too early. Add a little bit more tomato paste. Okay. Now, let's add in our broth. Okay. We're going to place our lasagna noodles in there. Gently turn these. I'm going to place our lasagna noodles in here. And then we'll stir those. So this is pretty much a fast soup. When your noodles are done, your soup is done. And we all know it doesn't take long to cook noodles. So vitamins for lasagna soup. Lasagna noodles, B, folate, niacin, riboflavin, thiamine. Chicken broth, A, B12, C, D, E, K. Magnesium. Tomato paste, B3, B6, C, E, and K. Canned tomatoes, C, folate, potassium. Onions, B6, C, folate, magnesium, potassium. Garlic, B6, C, manganese, and selenium. Italian seasoning, B, C, K, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese. Himalayan salt, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium. Black pepper, A, B1, B2, B5, B6, C, E, and K. Diced tomatoes, C, folate, and potassium. Ground beef, B6, 12, iron, selenium, and zinc. Turkey sausage, A, B, K, niacin, phosphorus, and zinc. Mozzarella ball, A, B12, D, E, and calcium. Ricotta, A, B2, B12, calcium. Basil, A, C, K, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese. Real facts. 72% of households that use food banks or pantry live below or at poverty line. These households barely have enough to put food on the table. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. Well, Chef Fran, here is our lasagna soup. Now, here's the thing. The weather is definitely getting colder and you just want something that's comforting and warm. And why not try this lasagna soup? If you like pasta, you like sausage, you like meat, you like freshness like basil and mozzarella cheese, why not try this? I said here, even in South Florida where I live, the temperature is 51 degrees. So you're probably like, oh, that's not cold. Actually, 41, my correction. So that's almost like freezing. So anyway, I'm gonna eat this comforting soup so I can stay warm. Let me start with my spoon. Ooh, that's nice. The little light spiciness from the sausage. I'm digging that. And of course, lasagna. Noodles not overly cooked. Still a bit al dente. That nice toasted butter bread. The decadent soup. Lord. So good. Yeah, so good. This is my ricotta. The creaminess of the ricotta. This soup must try. Great comfort. Food and soup. Delish. Thumbs up all the way. Now, here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving me a virtual hug. When you do so, that is myself and those who are around me know that you're enjoying the content that we're putting out. And it allows me to kind of explore options. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and share this channel with your family and friends. They'll appreciate and love you for it. And thank you for hanging out with me virtually while I ate physically, but you too can eat this physically. If you're able to write in the comments, I'd appreciate that. If you're going to do the soup the same way or you're going to do something different to it, because I do answer the comments. Thank you again for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. And you have yourself a blessed day.